Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we are going to be making a lion with a crown on his head, a king lion. So let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do about in the middle of your piece of paper is you are going to make a square, but this is going to be a special square because the angles on the square are going to be soft corners, just like this. The next thing that we're going to do is on the corner of each angle, we are going to make some little tiny ears. Next, down at the bottom, we're going to make a triangle for our lion's nose and fill it in with your marker or your pencil, whatever you have that you're drawing with, and then a little tiny mouth. Coming up from his nose, we are going to make some lines that go all the way up to the top of his head, curved lines like this. And in the middle, right here, of his face, what we're going to do is we are going to make some eyes that look like cat's eyes. So they're going to be almond shaped, so you make a curved line and close it up with a curved line. Make another curved line and close it up with a curved line. Inside of those, you're going to make a circle and then a pupil, which is just going to be a straight line. You can make some eyebrows and then some whiskers. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to create our lion's crown. So the crown is going to go at the top of his head. So the way that I make a crown is I just go up, come down, up, down, and then I close it up at the bottom. They almost look like two M's. You can have more points or less points than I do though. The next thing that we're going to do is make our lion's mane. And our lion's mane is going to go around the crown and around our lion's head. So basically we have some zigzag lines all the way around our lion's head and crown. And then we're going to close it up right there. To make our lion's body, we are just going to go underneath the mane and we are going to make a curved line down and another curved line down. And then we're going to make 4 straight lines with some little feet at the bottom. Now we can close up the bottom of our lion's body and then make the back legs coming out and the feet. So basically those are upside down J's with a curved little line coming out at the back for the foot. For our lion's tail, it's just a curved line coming up and then follow that curved line with another curved line. At the top, we make some more little spikies, just like that. Now, if you'd like to take a moment and add some things around your lion, maybe some plants, maybe some insects, it's completely up to you as to whether or not you want to put any background around your lion. I'll just give you a couple of ideas here. We can have some vines coming down from the top with some leaves, or you can have this type of a plant with some spiky leaves on it. It's up to you. So I like to fill my space when I'm making my jungle lion. I hope that you had fun with this lesson, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.